Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading Nike app in your mobile phone. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the App Store, and after that tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar type Nike and search for it. So here is the app that we are looking for. To download the app, all you have to do is tap on Get. So tap on it and then your device will start downloading the app. While the app is downloading, let me give you a short description about it. Nike is an American multinational corporation that is engaged in the design, development, manufacturing and worldwide marketing and sales of footwear, apparel, equipment, accessories and services. The world's largest athletic apparel company, Nike is best known for its footwear, apparel and equipment. Founded in 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports, the company became Nike in 1971 after the Greek goddess of victory. One of the most valuable brands among sport businesses, Nike employs over 76,000 people worldwide. So the app has also been downloaded. Now to go to the app, tap on Open. And that's it. This is how you can download the Nike app in your mobile phone. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.